So the first color I would use is yellow. Okay, so I get some yellow Play-Doh, maybe half of this. And what you need to do is form a ball like this. Between your two hands, you keep circling around. So you make a perfect ball shape like this. This is going to be the core of the earth. Okay? Kongkwan, if you don't have, no problem. Just keep looking now. So you will know what to do. Later when you have Play-Doh, you can play with that. Okay, do you remember what was the next color? The mantle or outer core of the earth. I would pick this orange. Basically, we are following the colors of the rainbow. Because next color will be orange. I take maybe half of this, maybe the whole of it. First, we're gonna make a ball, just like we did before. But this time, after we have the ball, I'm going to flatten it out. Okay, like this. I'm going to make it flat. Why do I need to make it flat? Because I will bring back my first ball. This is the core of the earth. And I'm going to wrap it around with the second layer, the orange one. This is the outer core. After I wrapped it, I am going to make it back into a nice, tidy, smooth ball shape, okay? So now we have two layers. The next layer is going to be, yes? Who is calling me?
Today we play Kahoot or not?
Not sure we will have time. I will try to make this fast. So I already prepared one Kahoot, but you know, time is ticking very fast. Just a second. If you want, I can still come back. After Zoom finishes, I can start a new Zoom. And if you all come back, we can play Kahoot. Do you want that? We have 10 more minutes to today's meeting.
Yeah.
But when the 40 minutes is over,
Yes.
Zoom will turn off. I will disappear from the screen. I have to come back, and all of you have to come back. Click on the same link. We can do that, okay? You don't have blue.
Okay.
You don't have blue. Well, no problem.
Sure.
That? Yes, Kongkwan?
We must put on the same number or not?
Same,
the Zoom.
Same number, same link, yes. So next color is red. Yes.
When we're done with the orange, what color next?
After the orange, I use red. Red is the color of the mantle. Maybe I will also mix my pink into it. I find it too little. Because you know the mantle is the biggest layer of the earth, the thickest layer. I make it flat. It has to be quite big because I have to wrap. I put back the orange ball into the red one and cover it like this. Okay, I close it and then I make it into a ball shape like this. Actually, I should make myself in a big screen. Too late. Okay, so now we have 3 layers. Inside is yellow, after that is orange, and the outer layer right now is red. So the next color will be, can be green. Green will be for the continents and the crust. Okay, I got a warning from Zoom. We have 10 minutes left. Not a problem. For Kahoot, we will come back and play a little longer. Okay. So yes. So, Tawan, I can.
Why do we have to do a second meeting?
You just click the same link and you come back like you did every day.
I'm asking why do we have to do a second meeting?
Somebody
Kahoot
asked,
time the one.
somebody asked me if we're gonna play Kahoot. So if you would like to play Kahoot with us, you can come back for a second meeting because we won't have time for that. One Zoom meeting is just 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, it cuts off. Okay, I don't have enough green to cover the whole.
We need the same link.
Yes, same link, same password, everything same. Okay, nice. Have some green or red areas that are peeking out from under the green one. No problem, because I'm going to cover those holes with the blue one. The blue parts will be the ocean. Okay, we just make flat pieces like this and cover it here and there. You can cover it just randomly. No need to be realistic. No need to make all the continents. It's just green and blue patches on the top layer of the earth. Okay. If you had some white, you could also put it to the poles. Okay.
Teacher, how can I go toilet?
Sure, anytime. Just stand up and go. Right. So this is my earth.
Teacher, how can I go to a toilet?
Yes. And now comes the best part that I want to show you. After you finished your earth that looks like this, go get a ruler and we're gonna cut the earth through into two halves. Okay, I want to see what's inside of earth. Are you ready for this? Ready? Should I do? 3, 2, 1. The earth is cut into two halves. And let's see what's inside. Look at that. But those are the layers of the earth. You can see the core. You can see the core, the mantle, and the crust. Okay.
Teacher, it's panmo.
Yeah, you can call it a watermelon too. But inside watermelon, you don't have yellow like this. In watermelon, you should have black dots for the seeds. This looks like,
It's a watermelon.
yeah, it looks like a watermelon. But on watermelon, you don't have blue. This is not a watermelon. This is the earth. Okay. Right.
No, it's a watermelon.
In the afternoon, you can do the same. And if you have more Play-Doh than me, you can make a bigger one like this. Okay, a giant one. And then use a ruler to cut it into two halves so you can see what's inside of earth. You can take a photo of yourself. You finished it.
No.
Put it into seesaw.
Is there a lot? Is the blue color the last layer?
Yeah, the blue is just some patches, not everywhere. It's like the ocean, some here and there. And if you have white, you can also cover the two poles, North Pole and South Pole. Antarctica is white because it's frozen with ice. Okay.
Teacher, look at this.
It's not like Earth. It is like Earth. Look, we have continents, we have oceans, and inside we have mantle, outer core, inner core. Everything is there. If you don't believe me, go and cut through the real Earth. Get a big knife and chop the Earth into two halves and look inside. You will see the same.
How, teacher?
Go to space and get a laser sword and cut the Earth through.
Okay.
Okay. Right, back to normal.